Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving west from Albert Town towards St. Vincent. Entering St. Vincent. The road sign on the right says Tankhill, and this road can take you to Cambr's Land. The road to the right here can also take you to Cambr's Land. On the left we are passing Kingdom Hall of Jehovah's Witness Church. The road to the right is the Burnt Hill Road, and this road will take you into the Burnt Hill community. The Burnt Hill Road can also take you to Forest Hut community. And if you are in search of Agane Old Cave, Ram Goat Cave and Burnt Hill Cave, that is the road you will take. Entering Spring Garden. The road sign on the left says welcome to Spring Garden. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.